Life. It is filled with many experiences, meaningful relationships, voyages to new places, sharing meals together, special moments, miracles. Indeed, life is a journey filled with many experiences. But without these experiences, there would be no life. A person with complex dental issues often stops experiencing life, becoming reclusive and isolated, embarrassed to smile. Simple joy is forever absent in their lives. Experiencing the joys of life stops. That is, until they meet a Hybridge Certified doctor. A doctor gifted in performing complex dental restorations. If you asked a Hybridge doctor what they do for a living, what do you think they would say? A dentist? The truth is, what they do every day is transform lives. They restore a person's confidence, self-esteem, smile, the joy of a simple meal. They give back a person's ability to once again experience life. Contact your Hybridge Certified doctor today to learn more about the simple way to a lasting smile.